What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to block adult websites on your iPhone. So let me directly get into a step. So the first one, just go over here in the settings. Now from here you have to scroll down and navigate to screen time. Now from here you have to scroll down a little bit and navigate to content and privacy restrictions. And right now from here what we need to do is we just need to select the options over here: App Store, Media, Web and Games. So tap on this one, and right now you have to scroll down and navigate to web content, select this one, and there is an option called limit adult website. So just change this to limit adult website over here, and you can add the website that you wanted to, or you can, for example, if you're going through having any kind of issue with some kind of a preferred adult website, just you can add it over here. And also you can also make sure add the respective website over here for the never allow as well. You can just add it. You can just copy paste the URL so that it will be completely blocked on your iPhone in onto your set. So this feature is going to help when it comes to protecting from the kids or anyone who are minors. That's going to help you guys out, and that's what it is all about. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.